Okay, welcome back to Professor Maher's walkthrough of calculating Ken Brown's 10-point test using the city of Spokane, Washington. The last video not only introduced you to the audit report for Spokane, but we also calculated ratio 1, which was the total revenues per capita. This video we're going to move down to ratio 2, which is total general fund revenues from own sources divided by total general fund revenues. So first note that total general fund revenues from own sources is a subtraction or the difference between total general fund revenues minus those intergovernmental revenues. So here we are back at the general fund financial statements, governmental funds financial statements for Spokane, Washington. And again, the numerator for the second ratio asks or requires that you subtract intergovernmental revenues from the general fund from total general fund revenues. And we can see here on this financial statement that the total general fund revenues were $156,682,352. And the intergovernmental general fund revenues were $5,566,649. And so for the numerator, we simply have to subtract intergovernmental from total. So 156,682,352 minus 5,566,649 equals 151 million, a little over $151 million. This essentially is own source general fund revenues, which is the numerator for this ratio. Here we are back at Ken Brown's 10-point test, and for ratio 2 you can see the denominator is total general fund revenues. So we have our numerator, and we're going to divide that by the 156,682,352. Our answer is a ratio of 0.9645 or 96.45%. This means that 96.45% of the city's general fund revenues come from their own sources, meaning it's not coming in terms of intergovernmental aid. Conversely, intergovernmental aid only accounts for 3.55% of the city's general fund revenues. And so that's how you would calculate the ratio number 2 for Ken Brown's 10-point test. The next video then moves to ratio 3. Thank you.